When we're working with objects, we assign values to properties with the colon operator. But TypeScript uses the same operator to specify types, so we can't annotate properties like we do with variables and function parameters. Instead, we go after the name and create a type object, where we specify the property name with the type as its value. So basically, we're describing what the object should look like. We can do the same with methods. We need to describe the parameters it's going to have, their types, and the return type. So we'll have a method called greeting, with a message parameter as a string, and the return type will be void. Of course, we'll also have to add it to the initialization, so we'll say, greeting, message as a string, and we'll just log the message to the console. To complete the demonstration, we'll log everything to the console. Okay, everything works as expected, but there's some issues here. The main problem is that if we want another user, we have to repeat the object structure, so we end up with duplicate code. TypeScript allows us to create a type alias that allows us to define a custom type. So we'll go at the top and say, type, then the name of the type in Pascal case, so user, and then an object. Inside the object, we define all the properties and methods that a user should have. In our case, we'll use the ones we've already defined. So we'll select the 3 lines, and press Alt and the up arrow, to move them into the type. All we need to do now, is to annotate the object with the user type. If we save and take a look in the console, everything still works fine. But now we have a single place where we define the user, so it's easier to read, easier to modify, and we can reuse it anywhere we want.